Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will write a program in Python which generates the Fibonacci series number. So let's create the Python. fib.py and start writing the code. Define a function. Then define the series. So this is the list. A and B, two variables. A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then write for variable in range n plus 1 series dot append a, then change the values a, b, a equal to b and b equal to a plus b. So this is the function for generating the Fibonacci series number. Now let's series equal to join it with the space, join str x for x in Fib series. So we are generating the Fibonacci series out of the Fibonacci series till 10 and print s. Sorry, this is the error. Or need to return series here. So correct program is this. We are putting b value into a and in the b we are adding a plus b. So this is the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. So this way you can write a program in Python for Fibonacci series. Now let's convert this program using the yield method. Rename so here we can write instead of series, I can delete the series here and yield a. So if you run it, you will get the same output. There should not be any return. So we are getting the same output. In this tutorial, I showed you how to generate the Fibonacci series number with two examples. One is using the series and another is using the yield function. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.